Hello kids, welcome back to channel. Today we learn and draw capital letters, alphabets A to Z and numbers 1 to 10. So kids, let's learn the names of the color. Red color, blue color, black color, green color, yellow color and white color. Kids, now I draw alphabets and first we draw A in huge red color. A for aeroplane. B for ball. C for cat. D for dog. E for elephant. F for fish. G for God. H for helicopter. I for ice cream. Kids, now I draw J and hue is blue color. J for jackfruit. K for king. L for lion. M for moon. N for nose. O for octopus. P for parrot. Q for queen. Kids, now I draw R and use black color. R for rabbit. S for sheep. T for tiger. U for umbrella. V for vanilla. W for wallet. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Kids, now I draw numbers and first you draw 1 and use green color. O-N-E 2 T-W-O 3 T-H-R-E 3 4 F-O-U-R 4 5 F-I-V-E 5 6 S-I-X 6 7 S-E-V-E 7 8 E-I-G-H-T 8 9 N-I-N-E 9 10 T-E-N 10. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe to our channel. See you soon. Bye bye.